Now take down heading as finding value attribute of an element. Finding value attribute of an element. Finding value attribute of an element. First I need to open the browser. Open the browser. Then I need to open the URL. I need to open the browser and I need to open the URL called open the URL called krninformatics.com/sample.html. krninformatics.com/sample.html. And I need to identify this. I need to identify this Google link. I need to identify this Google link. Right click inspect. After identifying this Google link, I need to identify the href attribute value of this Google link. I need to identify the href attribute value of this Google link. Sir, why I have to identify the href attribute value? Why, in the sense, when I click on this Google link, whether it is redirecting to Google page or some other page, if I want to know that, then I should know about that also. That's why. Okay. Now, just a minute. I need to identify the krninformatics.com/sample.html. I need to identify this Google link. Identify the href attribute value of this Google link. Okay, how to do that? Sometimes I need to get the class attribute value also. How to find the attribute value of any element? That is what we are going to see. How to identify the attribute value of any element. Let me open them. Right click, go to new, go to class, demo attribute. Demo attribute public static void main finish. First open the browser and open the URL. Open the browser. Open the browser and open the URL. Open the browser and open the URL. After opening the browser and see to open driver, to open the browser and URL, I have to use this 5 lines I said, right? Let me follow this. Open the browser, open the URL completely. krninformatics.com/ sample.html. Then I need to identify this Google link. /a text function is equal to Google. Driver dot find element is used to find the element by dot xpath by dot xpath by dot xpath dot get attribute. See, if I want to click, I can go with dot click. If I want to type something, I can go with dot send keys. Now, either I don't want to click or else I don't want to go with send keys. I want to get the attribute. There is a method called get attribute. This get attribute method, it takes a string and it returns a string. It takes a string and it returns a string. Taking a string, I can pass href. While it is returning a string, it returns a string, that is attribute value. Attribute value. Who is that who is unmuting and disturbing the class? I'll just remove you if you do that, guys. In between, if you do like this, it's okay. This is how. Now if I run this, I will be getting the attribute. Open the browser, open the URL and identify the href attribute value and print it. Not only href attribute value, I can print the class attribute value also. What is class attributes value? What is class attributes value? My class. If I give class, then what it will print there? My class. This is how to find the attribute value of any element. Attribute value of any element. Yes. Finding value attribute of an element. Let me give you some notes. Not only class attribute, I identify the why we have to identify, going to see in the upcoming topic. Don't worry. Yeah. Any attribute value we can get it. That's not an issue at all. To find value attribute of an element, we can use driver.find element to find the element and use the method get attribute and pass the attribute name as an argument which will return the value of the attribute. Take down this. రోజు ఒక రోజే రేపటి నుంచి పాపం పెట్టుకో ఏమే పో బయలుదేరు ప్రెషర్ పెట్టుకున్నాడు వాడు కాదంటాడు వాడు నా మొగోడు నీ దగ్గర చెప్పుకోడు వాడు ఏమే వాడు నీతో చెప్పడం చెప్తున్నాం కదా ఈ రోజు కావద్దా నీకు 24 నిమిషాలు సార్లు నిద్రపోను నువ్వు మూసుకొని బయలుదేరు అయితే బయలుదేరు పిలిచి చెప్పుకో ఎప్పుడు నిద్రపోకుండా పుడిచి అట్ట Have you completed this, guys? Yes. Now, take down heading as pop-ups. Take down heading as pop-ups. In interviews, if they ask you how many different kinds of pop-ups are there, I will answer. Don't exactly answer that there are 7 kinds of pop-ups are there. Don't exactly answer that there are 7 kinds of pop-ups are there. Don't exactly answer that there are 7 kinds of pop-ups are there. What you can do here is you can answer that there are totally throughout my career I came with some 5 to 6 different kinds of pop-ups are there. You can answer that. In that you can slowly answer one by one. First one is tooltip pop-up. Tooltip pop-up. Tooltip pop-up. Tooltip. Tooltip pop-up are there. First, go to I am going to gsmarena.com and here I am going to go to this galaxy. See, when I mouse over on this, I am getting this pop-up. Samsung Galaxy A25 Android smartphone. That is the tooltip of that particular image. That's the tooltip of that particular image. But if I want to do right click and inspect, I cannot do right click and inspect. I cannot do right click and inspect. But still, how to overcome that pop-up, that is what we are going to see. How to overcome that pop-up, that is what we are going to see. Okay, next. This is one. In tooltips, there are 2 types. One is this. When I mouse over on a particular element, I am getting a tooltip. The another one, let me go to this flipkart.com. In this flipkart.com, Okay, let me go to some product item page in the Flipkart. I need to click on this question mark. I need to click on this question mark to make the delivery question mark is there. When I click on this, I am getting a tooltip. When I click on this, I am getting a tooltip. How to get the tooltip of this particular image? How to get the tooltip of this particular image? That is what we are going to see. How to get the tooltip of this. There are two kinds of tooltips. One, when I mouse over on a particular element, I am getting a tooltip. The another one, which is a part of HTML division. Which is a part of HTML division. Part of HTML division. Next. There are two kinds of tooltips. One when I mouse over on the second one. Let's see the second pop-up. Calendar pop-up. Pop-up. Calendar pop-up. Calendar pop-up. Let me go to redbus.in. Redbus.in. In this redbus.in, I need to select the date. How to select the date from the calendar pop-up? That is what we are going to see. Okay, that is what we are second pop-up. Okay, how to select the date from the calendar pop-up? Third, JavaScript alert, confirmation and prompt pop-up. JavaScript alert, confirmation and prompt pop-up. JavaScript alert, confirmation and prompt pop-up. Go to krninformatics.com/selenium/testing.html. Firefox. అరగంటకు చూస్తాను వాడుతున్నా ఈరోజు తిరిగిపోతా నా దగ్గర అవును చెప్పుకుంటా ఉండవు గోళ్ళకి బొచ్చులకి అవునవును ఈరోజు చాలా రోజులు అయ్యింది అయ్యింది అది ఈరోజు పూజ Now I need to open the browser, open this URL. When I open the browser and URL, then when I click on this generate alert box, I am getting this pop-up. This is called alert pop-up. When I click on this generate alert box, I will be getting this alert pop-up. Okay, this is called alert pop-up. When I click on the generate confirm box, I am getting the confirmation pop-up. When I click on this generate confirm box, I am getting the confirmation pop-up. Okay, what is the difference between alert and confirmation pop-up? Alert has only one button, OK button. Alert has only one button, OK button. Alert has only one button, OK button. Confirmation has two buttons. Confirmation has two buttons, OK and cancel button. OK and cancel button. Alert has only one button, OK button. Confirmation has two buttons, OK and cancel button. OK and cancel button. That is the difference between alert and confirmation pop-up. Has only one button. It's two buttons, OK and cancel. JavaScript alert confirmation and prompt pop-up. That is called alert. Prompt pop-up also looks similar to the confirmation pop-up, but there will be one text box. That's the but in all three cases, I cannot do right click and inspect. Without doing right click and inspect also, how to identify those elements? That is what we are going to see. How to identify those elements? That is what we are going to see. Okay, let's see. JavaScript alert confirmation and prompt pop-up. Next. Next, fourth, page onload authentication pop-up. Page onload authentication pop-up. Right click new class demo page onload. Page onload authentication. Oh, sorry. No, page onload is nothing but this one. Page onload authentication pop-up. Open the browser, open this URL here. Until unless I give a valid username and password, even it won't open the home page of the website also. Even it won't open the home page of the website also. It won't even open the home page of the website also. How to highly secured websites, but I cannot do right click and inspect here. Highly secured websites are given with the, even you cannot see the logo also. This is called page onload. Before the page loads, it shows the authentication. That is why this is called as page onload authentication pop-up. How to overcome this pop-up? That is what we are going to see. I am just giving you the headings and explaining a overview. We'll see in detail about this later. Next, file upload pop-up. Pop-up. File upload pop-up. File upload pop-up. krninformatics.com/ sample.html. I need to click on this choose file. I need to click on this choose file. After clicking on this choose file under D, under classes, I need to select a file, but I cannot do right click and inspect. Why? Because this is a Windows based pop-up. This is a Windows based pop-up. How to select a file? That is called file upload pop-up. Next, file download pop-up. Pop-up. Okay. Let me open this krninformatics.com. under this kr@informatics.com, under this downloads page. When I click on this download, oh, sometimes a pop-up appears to select OK or cancel. That I will tell you. Okay, until unless you click on OK, it won't download that file. That is file download pop-up. How to overcome that pop-up? That is what we are going to see in file download pop-up. Next, file download pop-up. Next one is last one, new tab slash new window slash new browser slash lightbox or model window. Lightbox or model window. New tab, new window, new browser or lightbox or model window. See, when I click on this link, a new tab is getting open. Sometimes new window will get open. See, when I click on this about us, when I click on this about us, a new tab is getting open. Sometimes new window will get open. Sometimes new browser will get open. How to overcome these pop-ups? That is what we are going to see in this pop-up. Just take down the headings and below that take down tooltip pop-up. First we will see one or two pop-ups today. First we will see one or two pop-ups today. Once you are done, let me know it's done.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Next. Okay. Next. I need to open the browser, open the URL. There are two different kinds of tooltips. One, when I mouse over on a particular element, I am getting the tooltip. The another one we'll see later. Next, I am going to give that as a homework anyhow. Okay. First, I need to open the browser, open the URL called gsmarena.com slash Samsung phones 9.php. Okay. And when I mouse over on this, I am getting this tooltip. When I mouse over on this, I am getting this tooltip. Okay. I want to get this tooltip and I want to print it. Okay. What is the tooltip of this image? Can you tell me what is the tooltip of this image, guys?
Galaxy.
Samsung Galaxy A25 Android smartphone, that is the one. Right click and inspect. See the source code. This is the source code. IMG is the tag name. SRC is one attribute and title. What is the title attribute value of this image? What is the title attribute value of this image?
Samsung Galaxy.
You don't know. Is my title attribute and tooltip is both are same? If you have background noise, don't unmute. I said someone having kids with you. Please. Is my title attribute and tooltip is both are same? Yes or no? Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
If developer want to display any tooltip, if developer want to display any tooltip, he will put that in the title attribute. If developer want to display any tooltip, he will put that in the title attribute. Now, I need to get this title attribute. I need to get the title attribute value, and I want to if developer want to display any tooltip, he will put that in the title attribute. Now you know how to identify this element and get the title attribute value of this element. You know how to do that. That is what I am going to do now. Right. Let me open the browser, open the URL. Demo attribute. Sorry, tooltip, right? Tooltip. Finish. Open the browser, open the URL. Double forward slash img open brace at the rate contains at the rate src comma a25 this is the one. Okay, first I need to open the browser, open this URL, identify this element and get the title attribute value of this element. Driver dot find element by dot xpath dot get attribute title, which returns a string. Hold that in a string variable tooltip. System.out.println tooltip. Run this. It will tooltip of that particular image. Okay, now it has got the tooltip. This is the tooltip of that particular image. This is the tooltip of that particular image. Yes, this is how to find the tooltip. There are two kinds of tooltips. One, when I mouse over on a particular element, I am getting a tooltip. The another one, which is a part of HTML division. The another one, which is a part of HTML division. That one I am going to give you a homework. Note down this. Open browser, open any product item page in the Flipkart. Open browser, open any product item page in the Flipkart. Okay, under the any product item page, what you can do here is come down, sorry, click on this question mark. First identify this and click on this. Then identify this area and get the text of this by using dot get text method. Driver dot find element and identify the XPath of this particular area and use dot get text. See, when I give some homeworks, don't keep on pinging me, sir. I am not getting output. I am not getting output. I am not giving homework to reply me back the same question to me. Okay, wait, try for 1 or 2 days, or else one day again I will take this back again and I will solve it before the course. I will not run away anywhere. Okay, I see whenever I give homework, right, you keep on replying, sir, I am not getting output, I am not getting output. I know that you are not, that's quite a tricky part. That's why I am giving you, so that you can Google and find out some answers at least. Without doing anything, try that, not getting, call me like customer care. Don't do that. Try as much as you can. Okay, are you understanding, guys, why I am telling you those things? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Generally, there are two kinds of handling tooltips. Tooltips are of two types. Generated using title attribute has a pop-up in the HTML division. If the tooltip is coming from the title attribute, we can find the element and use get attribute to get the tooltip text. If the tooltip is coming from the div pop-up, we can find the div using driver.find element and use get text to get the text from the division. Take down this. Sitaram. Hello. Sitaram. You have not paid the fee yet, Sitaram. When? Make it before tomorrow's class, Sitaram. Okay. If you are done, let me know. I will switch to the. If you are done, let me know. I will switch to the program.
Done, sir.
Just wait for another 1 minute. Ali. Make it bit quick. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, that tooltip it is always will be in the title.
Yes.
But, so tooltip in by default it will be in the title or
Yes,
it
that
will
is
be
what I said. If developer want to display any tooltip, he will put that in the title attribute.
or in the division like heading
No,
heading.
that is another kind of tooltip.
Okay.
Yeah, either div or span or whatever it might be. Identify that and use dot get text.
Okay.
Not only in division. This mouse over tooltip will be on title attribute only.
Oh,
Okay.